Chapter 12 What on Earth is the Matter? By Sid River. Characters in the play: Earth the patient, Earth Mother, Dr. Sun, Nurse Pluto, Dr. Jupiter. The scene is a doctor's consulting room. Dr. Sun is seated behind the desk looking at notes. Nurse Pluto enters the room. Dr. Sun.
Nurse Pluto, who is the next patient?
Nurse Pluto. It's Earth. He's feeling a bit under the weather and his mother's brought him in.
Not again. Oh well, send him in.
Come in, Earth. Earth, looking glum, enters with his mother and sits down. Dr. Sun.
Ah, here again, young Earth. What seems to be the problem this time?
Earth. I'm just a little... Earth Mother, interrupting. He's feeling awful, Dr. Sun. Aren't you, dear? Lost all his color and won't eat a thing. Dr. Sun, getting out a magnifying glass.
Oh yes, I see. Dirty brown patches where it should be lush blue and green. You look a bit warm, are you?
Yes, I keep going cold then warm in patches all over.
Yes, I see what you mean. Let's pop a thermometer into your atmosphere and see what it's like. Nurse Pluto, could you take his temperature?
Certainly, Doctor. Puts thermometer into Earth's mouth.
Ah, the temperature. Goodness me, that's high. I think I detect a bit of global warming. Do you like gardening?
Oh yes, Dr. Sun. He's grown some lovely greenery all year round. Dr. Jupiter enters the room. Dr. Jupiter.
Dr. Sun, I have the results of Earth's sea test from his last visit. It's not good news, I'm afraid.
Oh dear. What's a mother to do?
It appears that his sea is full of pollution. We found traces of industrial chemicals and oil. We also found traces of rubbish. We think that some kind of bug is responsible, a litter bug.
Earth Mother, becoming melodramatic. I knew it. You haven't been eating properly. If only I'd been there to look after you. But no, you go off for a few million years. You don't phone. You don't write. What's a mother to do? Nurse Pluto. There, Earth Mother. Sit down and I'll get you a nice cup of tea.
Thank you, Nurse Pluto. Anything else, Dr. Jupiter? Well, yes. When we analyzed the sea sample, we found surprisingly low levels of sea life. That's a bit fishy. We have also noticed significant tree loss around Earth's tropical regions. Do we know what could be causing all this? We have a theory. Recently, there has been evidence of a life form which could be the cause of all these problems.
He goes over to a flip chart which displays a badly drawn stick human.
We've called it the human race because of the speed with which it is running around destroying things. The human race, Do we know what they look like? Well, yes.
Dr. Jupiter turns the points at the audience.
A bit like that, really.
Nurse Pluto, looking out at the audience and panicking. Oh no! They are everywhere! Swarming all over! Dr. Sun, taking a close look at the audience.
They certainly seem to be spreading quickly. Is there any chance for Earth? Well, it looks uncertain. But amazingly, there are small pockets that seem to be trying to prevent the spread of the disease and stop the actions of the others. Really? What are they doing? Well, some of them are trying to produce less waste material and then put the waste into small areas to be reused. It could give Earth here a lot of renewed energy.
Energy? Yes, that's just what I have been lacking.
He stretches his arms up in tiredness.
The only problem is, these pockets are few and far between. They are fighting a bit of a losing battle.
Earth beginning to cry.
That's it for me then. I might as well give up and become a lump of rock again.
Oh dear, I think Earth's ice caps are beginning to melt. She gives him a tissue and comforts him. Earth Mother wailing. Oh, what's a mother to do? What's a mother to do?
There is only one thing that we can do. Nurse Pluto, prepare the vaccination.
You mean that there is a cure? I'm going to be saved?
There is no guarantee, but this is the only thing that I can think of.
But what is it, doctor?
It is our last chance.
He holds up a syringe.
It is an injection
He injects Earth.
of hope. The rest, I'm afraid,
Walks to the edge of the stage and looks at the audience.
is up to the human race.
The end. Earth needs our help. We must reuse and recycle and create awareness to stop pollution.